Already out of breath. Rode it around again. Got the tires changed out, so we're gonna head out and take this thing for a cruise out in the dirt. Find a, I guess, quiet little spot out in the desert and rip it, do some jetting, go from there. So let's get into it. Alex.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
We got a screw coming loose. It's fine.
It's fine.
Just the door.
We got a couple screws loose in all of our heads anyway. So.
You're damn right.
Hello guys. I threw some smaller tires on it. The gearing was way too tall for the bigger tires. I didn't have time to change all that out. But yeah, this thing is, it's all there, guys. It is all there. Well guys, Drew's taking it for a spin right now. Let's see if he's enjoying it. It's rough out here. Like, look at this shit. We'll do our best. He's a dirt bike guy. Grew up riding three-wheelers just like I did. He also rode quads, and I think this is the best of both worlds. It's a freaking blast. So you guys saw me ripping it out on the road out there. I wanted to open it up, slide around some corners, and Drew's gonna ride it in the rough stuff, get some footage. People don't understand like the level of suspension these things have. So I thank this lady here for running around, taking videos of me for the last like 7 years. Appreciate it. I can be an asshole sometimes. Yep. Get this shot, go over here, go over there.
I'm no professional.
You do good. It is rough as hell out here. I am spoiled. I came from the land of upstate New York where I'm gonna go ahead and say all the tracks are perfect. I used to bitch about them back there, but this is terrible. But we're having fun. That's what matters. I need to ride, let some aggression out. Drew needs to ride, let some aggression out. He's the one using the camera right now, and I'm gonna let him get on this thing. He's in a lot better shape, and I'm gonna take some clips of him ripping here because this thing's kicking my ass. But what a blast! This new chassis, unbelievable. The riding we're planning on doing with this thing, motocross, desert, a little bit of everything. I mean, stay tuned. Nothing but crazy content coming. But anyway, Drew, it's your time to rip, so hammer down. Whew. It's like riding out on Mars out here. Got the Mars rover right here.
Yeah.
Little Mars rover.
Little moon rock riding.
CR500. God, it's rough.
Get that one in there.
Don't get that one?
Yeah.
Just find the happy spot. Oh, nope. You're gonna get it. I'll turn the camera away, it'll start. Oh. God, it's like riding on the moon. This place is rough. Probably sound like a complainer, but man, anybody in Arizona, not too far from Tucson, got anywhere we can come film, let us know. We just want to have fun, make some content, take videos of the builds, and I'd let you try it and rip it yourself. If you have maybe a private track or private area to ride, just hit me up.